Welcome to Slavic Voice. I'm Victor.
And I'm Mila. Today, we're covering a significant economic story from the Balkans. The headline: A massive wave of Israeli tourists and investors is transforming Montenegro's economy at a staggering pace.
That's right, Mila. The data from 2025 is striking. Israel has become one of the single biggest tourist markets for Montenegro, with well over 200,000 Israeli visitors arriving on the Adriatic coast.
This influx places Israelis among the top nationalities visiting the country, often second only to Serbians. They also frequently lead in the number of direct flights, with multiple daily connections from Tel Aviv to both Podgorica and Tivat.
The growth figures are explosive. Compared to 2024, there was a 52% increase in Israeli tourists. We've also seen huge jumps in overnight stays, hotel bookings, and record spikes in early 2025, with some months showing triple-digit percentage growth from previous years.
And this has a direct impact on the nation's overall tourist numbers. This surge contributed heavily to Montenegro's all-time high of 2.73 million total tourist arrivals in 2025.
So, what's driving this stampede? The source text points to several factors: affordable luxury, the scenery of the Bay of Kotor and Budva's beaches, short direct flights of 3 to 4 hours, and a perception of safety.
Additionally, high-end resorts are offering kosher and Passover packages, and there's been aggressive marketing positioning Montenegro as the new favorite Balkan escape for Israelis looking to avoid other, more crowded destinations.
But the story extends beyond tourism into real estate. Israeli investors are purchasing property at a furious pace, making them one of the biggest groups of foreign property buyers in recent years.
They are focusing on luxury apartments, villas, hotels, and development projects in prime coastal areas like Porto Montenegro, Tivat, and Kotar. We are seeing major companies such as big shopping centers expanding their retail and hospitality footprints.
At the same time, high net worth individuals are purchasing second homes and investment properties in record numbers. This trend is openly celebrated by figures like honorary consul Nimrod Rennet, who notes the growing wave of Israeli capital.
Montenegro, for its part, is aggressively promoting itself to these buyers as a safe, beautiful, and low tax European haven. It's clear that as of 2026, Israel has become one of the most important players in Montenegro's tourism economy and property market.
The transformation is happening at lightning speed. The report concludes by noting that whether this is simply smart business and vacation choices or the beginning of something more significant remains one of the most talked about stories in the Balkans right now.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us on Slavic Voice.